2 up here. Came up yesterday morning. It's our first time up since the snow's been gone. We've been doing some spring cleaning. Then we've been cutting firewood all day. Built this sawhorse for cutting up firewood. Works real well. Built this fence around here today. Kind of gives that nice defined edge right there. Campfire's going. Done a little bit of ATV in today. The generator's running up by the truck, so you can hear that hum in the background. But it's just about dark, and so I had the generator running to run the lights in the cabin. Kylie's making supper in there now. It's nice to finally have no snow. It's been a long winter. This is Easter weekend. Tomorrow's Easter Sunday. They're actually calling for a little bit of snow tonight, but I don't think we're going to get it. Hopefully not. So it's Easter Sunday morning. So we decided to celebrate with some hot dogs. And a brown dog. I cut some firewood this morning. Working on extending this fence through here. Just gotta go find some more rails.
Hit launch. Don't be so close. What's on there?
Booger.
That one isn't working anyway. Do you want to get right up my nose or what? Hey? Why isn't the screen work? Maybe you have to just...
Yeah, you can turn that one on or off. Saves battery. That's COVID. So, sorry there's no continuity in this video today, but it's so windy we're just turn the camera on and off whenever the wind dies down a little bit. So it's kind of sporadic what we're catching. But here's the rock wall I mentioned in the first tour video. Runs all the way around. I packed all those there while I was running the excavator, leveling everything out. So here's what we could really use your help with. Let's get to the point we got to pull the trigger on an exterior finish. And here's what we're thinking so far. But there's not a lot of information out there being used on log cabins, and so we're kind of wanting some opinions on it. So we'd appreciate it if you could comment what your thoughts are on it. But it's the stuff right here. Lifetime wood treatment. You can Google it and find out all about it. They talk a big game on their website. It's actually not a stain, it's a chemical treatment. You just mix it with water and spray it on with a garden sprayer, and it gives wood a natural aged look. So here's a test log we done. The lighting's not the best here, but kind of see it gives it that aged look. It takes a while. I'd done that last fall. Didn't really make a difference for a few days, and it slowly gets more and more of a patina the more it's exposed to the weather. and kind of like the color of it. And it's a one-time treatment. You don't have to keep redoing it every year. There's nothing to pressure wash off and scrape off and redo. I'm not sure if it would give the same protection as a proper log 2 coat process, or however many coats it is, but I don't really care about the cabin lasting forever. Just want to last for our lifetime anyways. I'd rather it slowly rot to the ground than have to redo it every 2 years. That's my thinking anyways. One thing on the box, they call it a olive brown or velvety silver. So it's basically just aged wood, weathered wood. So you don't have to tape up anything, you just basically just put it in a sprayer and spray it on, let it soak in, and let nature take its course. It seems like most everybody goes with like the brownish cedar color, and personally I don't really like that look, that color. Looks alright I guess in some contexts, but not for a cabin in the middle of the woods. So I'd rather go with that wood treatment and have a more traditional age looking cabin. And one other benefit of it is I was keeping an eye on the logs. If they're starting to get too damaged by moisture or whatever, I can always add another finish on top of it. That's one good benefit of that product. It's not, doesn't eliminate going with other options down the road. But we would appreciate any feedback you guys have. Tell us your thoughts. Be much appreciated. So finally, with the snow and ice all gone, we're able to get the propane fridge hooked up. Works real nice. And the sink drain is all hooked up now. Still no water going to it, but at least the drain is there. You can dump water down it. So we've finally started to hang some stuff on the walls. We got these signs here hung up. And then back at home, made these old retro park signs. Just routed them out and painted them. Hazel approves. Now we're just gonna put them on this wall here as well. So we actually just routed them freehand. So if you look close, they're a little wobbly. It kind of adds to the retro look. Before CNC was a thing. I think they look good. There's probably a couple up there. And the ranger station one above the door right there. So guys, that's the end of another weekend for us. Lots of work done. Didn't get a whole lot of video time due to the wind. Just be too loud to make for enjoyable video. So this is a wrap for us. Thanks for watching. Again, please like and subscribe and comment down below what you think of that exterior finish on the log cabin. I'm going to leave you with some video of what it's like when it's all peaceful and quiet around here. So I was doing some closing shots. Kylie came down, said she wanted to be in the video.
Not what I said.
So that's a wrap for us. Thanks for watching. Take care.